Hey guys, Sue here from Joe and Sue's Off-Grid Adventure. And here I am driving in our 3-kilometer long road. Anyway, this video is about doing some work in the Sugarbush. I'm installing some 3/16 lines and repairing some that were broke throughout the year. All right, have a good day. Let's see the line zigzag here through the bush. And this is the one that broke. And I just have to go up and connect it back together and adjust some of the sap lines. Oh, there's an eagle or something. There was moose tracks up here yesterday too, so hopefully if I encounter the moose, it's in a good mood. Okay, I'm just up above where the break was. It's on the tree over there. See the line ends? Not sure if you can see. But these other couple trees here. This one. These few others. The line was under the ground, or under the snow. You see it coming up there. I dug all this up. But I'll have to reuse what I can and cut out the bad pieces and the broken, damaged pieces, and then restring it around these trees. A few other lines look like they are sagging a bit. This one right here, and need adjusted as well, tightened up. This tree's got quite the lean on it now. Okay, so I'm ending the line here at this tree, and the broken piece is up there. And I'm going to string up those probably about, I don't know, 12 to 15 trees on their own separate line. And it'll end at that tree there. And then I will just run it straight down the hill here, right to the main line. And this line now needs this T switched out to an end T. So I'm going to put the end T in. You can see it has a solid piece here. And then the other pieces are hollow, so it will flow. So it'll come out of the tap down and flow straight down instead of backing up and going around the tree, when the sap would just sit in there, and then it would just grow mold and bacteria because it wouldn't go anywhere. So with this T like this, that end will stop anything from going up, and it'll all just come down. And then this, I will take this one out and replace it with a straight connector like this in the line instead. And it's see-through both right there. All right. Okay, so I have the old one cut out here, and we'll remove the little bit of line from these. There, you can see that little bit of tubing on it. We'll remove that and reuse this somewhere else. And now I will put this in here. So this handy tool we have was bought from CDL, and it's got 2 vice grips on it that they've engineered to grip the line. And then I cut it, and I cut the little piece out here, and then that gives you enough room. So I cut that little piece out. And now I have room to install this joint without having to redo the whole line. Okay, so I just dug the line out here, reattached it, positioning the lines here, the tap line, so that it will be lined up with the tree. And now this line's in the snow again, up to that tree, over across to that smaller one, and then way back there. Oops, don't know. You can see, but there's a line. There it is. You can see the line there in the middle of the screen kind of comes up. It's tied off to another tree right now, so I don't lose it again. And I have to attach that zigzag through these few trees and to this one. All right, so I find this one and pull it out of the ground or the snow, and something's been chewing on it over the winter, because it did have a tap line attached here and the other extension line running up to there. And this isn't where it was broke before. Actually, you can see right there on that tree there's a little piece sticking out there, and then that goes over to that one. So anyway, now I need to go get another tap line and another T here and replace this one, since the little rodents chewed on it. You can hear Joe coming on the tractor. Don't know if you can see him, but I can see him a little bit through the trees. Well, Joe and I are back in the bush again today. He's doing some more tapping and I'm repairing this main line. Please hit subscribe and follow along, and we'll keep doing some more updates. Have a good day.